done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. The cable from here goes under the panel here, and then it will travel like so under this panel there, and I will let it come out on that side because here I have the fuse box, and the last thing to do is to connect those wires according to this diagram. So what we need to do, I have here 3 wires. This one is continuous power, red one. Yellow goes when the ignition goes on, and black one is ground. While the car is switched off, one goes to the ground somewhere, and this one goes here, and on the multimeter we can see 12.5 volts. It means this one is continuously power. The second one is 0. I'm going to switch on the ignition again. Now it goes on. So this one is going to be yellow. Red, yellow, and ground is somewhere there, the body of the car. So the original ones are special. I can't use them for this manipulation. I'm going to use aftermarket one. It works the same, but it's just a little bit different. Okay. Same story here. And this one goes to the ground.
That was easy.